In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close the books for a period end in QuickBooks Online. This is a really important task for keeping your financial data accurate and locked down once you're finished with a month, a quarter, or a full fiscal year. Before you start, make sure all of your transactions for the period are fully entered and reconciled. That means your bank accounts are matched, your invoices and bills are up to date, and any adjustments from your accountant have been posted. Closing the books doesn't fix errors. It simply protects what you've already finalized. Once you're ready, head into your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look to the top right corner of your screen for the gear icon, sometimes labeled as Settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your main settings menu. From this menu, choose the option called Account and Settings. This is where you control the core setup of your company file, including things like company info, sales, expenses, and the accounting preferences we need for closing the books. Inside Account and Settings, you'll see several tabs down the left-hand side. Click on the tab labeled Advanced. The Advanced tab contains more technical settings, and that's where QuickBooks keeps the controls for your accounting period. Within the Advanced tab, find the section labeled Accounting. On the right side of that section, you'll see an edit or pencil icon. Click that pencil icon to open up the accounting options. Here, you'll see a setting called Close the Books. Turn this toggle on. Enabling this setting tells QuickBooks that you want to lock transactions prior to a specific date. Next, enter your desired closing date. This could be the end of your fiscal year, the end of a quarter, or simply the last day of the month you're wrapping up. Be sure you choose a date after everything for that period has been reviewed. Below the date, you'll choose how QuickBooks should handle changes after the period is closed. For stronger control, select the option that allows changes only after viewing a warning and entering a password. Then, create a password that you'll remember, but that others in your organization won't easily guess. This helps prevent accidental edits to prior periods. When everything looks good, click Save to apply your closing settings. Finally, click Done to exit Account and Settings. Your books are now closed for that period, helping keep your financial history clean, consistent, and ready for reporting or tax.